Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make YouTube videos play as background on your mobile phone. I know you're going to like this because sometimes when we browse our phone we feel bored or we want even to listen some music. So let's do this. To start, open your browser or your Google Chrome and then search for youtube.com. Okay, so once you are in the YouTube site, guys, as you can see, there is a three dot here at the upper part of the screen. Just click this menu bar and then click this circle beside of the desktop site. Alright, so basically the website now is in the desktop site now. So what are we going to do now is let us search for a video that we want to play or to watch or hear while we are browsing the mobile phone later. Okay, so let's say for example, we are going to search On the Wings of Love. Okay, so let's play this video. Alright, so let's listen first. As you can see, it is playing now. So we can now go back to our home page of the phone. And now, as you can see, the video stops in playing. Now, all we have to do is, go to your notification and click this play button to continue. Alright? Okay, as you hear, the video is now playing. So, let's try to search or let's try to open other application if this tutorial is applicable. So let's open this calendar. As you can see, the video is keep on playing. Now let's open another. Alright, so another application, like for example Bible. Alright, as you can see, the video is still playing. So there we go. This is on how to make YouTube videos play as background on your mobile phone. So if you want to know on how to make YouTube videos play as background on your mobile phone, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to make YouTube video plays as a background on your mobile phone, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe. Bye guys!